women are always the gatekeepers. Nasa inyo ang tarangkahan ng pintuan, kung ano man ang pwedeng pumasok dyan. Tama ka, ma'am, no? If you allow things to come in, then they will come in.
You deserve what you tolerate.
Yes, ma'am. What you're not changing, you're accepting.
Yes. Yan ang mga relationship topics that you encounter on a daily basis.
Yes, and it's very exciting.
Ilang years mo nang ginagawa?
I learn every day. And my favorite subject is social science. Yes. I understand Filipino culture is very unique ang Pinoy.
Eh di, when you have your own relationship, mas kahit papaano na navigate mo, nahihirapan ka pa rin.
Not true. Kung ano man, if there's any drop of wisdom that I have sa pagbibigay ng pakikinig ng kwento ng iba,
Pag-relationship mo na.
It's never applicable. Because you cannot hold the moral high ground sa relasyon ninyo that, nagbibigay akong payo, ako yung dapat, no. It's counterproductive pag ginawa mo yan. You're just sabotaging your own interest. Lagi ko pa narinig yan, di nagpapayo ka, di perfect relasyon mo, no. No. The advice that I give on air comes from the pain that I felt, the lessons I've learned on air.
Oh, so since nagbibigay ka ng payo about love, how will you define love at this stage of your life?
Forgiveness yan.